Welcome to Cannin Plannin How-To. Today we're going to be talking about our Sealed with a Kiss Deco kit and all the possibilities that you can make with it. In order to use this kit today, I'm going to be using two things, the paper cutter and a dot runner to attach all of our goodies. We're going to start by making an extra large dash sleeve. I've pre-cut the papers and we'll add the dimensions and stuff in the description below. So we're going to start with our cardstock. I have taken a piece of our two-sided design paper and I'm just tore down the edge so that it makes a nice fun design there. Then I'm going to use the dot runner. Because this is going to just be tucked inside of the dash sleeve, I'm not going to do anything other than go around the edges. We're just going to attach this down here. Okay, so we have that piece attached. The next thing I did was I took the tearing from here. Okay, so this was the tearing, and I just cut a simple strip off of it, and we're going to flip it over the other direction, and I measured it to fit the width of that paper. The next thing is we have little cardstock strips that came in the kit, and I'm going to attach this piece here. There also is a quote card, and it says, "I don't need an inspirational quote, I need coffee." We're going to attach this right here. And the last thing we're going to do is use this coffee cup die cut, and we're going to just attach that at the bottom as well. That's it. One simple, easy die cut kit project from our Sealed with a Kiss Deco set that we're going to use in our dash sleeve.